Okay, the upper and lower bound test works like this. You're given a polynomial like example 7 on page 203, and you're given an interval, and you have to show that -2 is the lowest possible x value and that no other real zero of the polynomial can be any higher than 5. So we do this by doing synthetic division with each of those and then looking at the outcomes. So let's start with the 5. Let's see if this is an upper bound. So what we do is we put the 5. We're going to set up our synthetic division. So we'll put 2, -7, -8, 14, and 8. And then when we do our synthetic division, what we want to find is that all the numbers on the last line are non-negative. So positive or 0 is what we're looking for. And so far it's working out that way. All these numbers are either positive or 0. And we'll see with the last one that it is also a positive number. And I don't know why that won't write. There we go. And all of them are positive. So 5 is an upper bound of f. Okay, now we're going to do the same kind of procedure with the 2, which we're trying to show is the lower bound, but we're looking for a different outcome. This time, what we hope to find is that all of the numbers on the bottom alternate sign, positive, negative, negative, positive, or vice versa, just so that they alternate sign. So we have a positive number, so the next number should be negative, which it is. Then we're going to get a positive number, and then the next one should be negative. And if this is the lower bound, the last number will be positive. And we can see that it is, that they alternate signs, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So that means that -2 is a lower bound of f. So all the real zeros have to occur somewhere between -2 and +5.